What the
Welcome back to my channel, Costco Samurai fans. Today we're not in Costco, we're in my bathroom where my son's taken toilet paper rolls and turned them into modern art. 3 installations, defying gravity and my sanity. Is this a new trend in Japan or just a plea to throw away empty rolls? Let's dive in. So you would think that bathrooms are supposed to be predictable, a sanctuary of function, free from surprises, but not in my house. Today I walk in and find not 1, not 2, but 3 installations, all showcasing my son's burgeoning career as an avant-garde TP Da Vinci. The centerpiece, 3 toilet paper rolls standing tall, like the spine of some minimalist monument. Atop it, a horizontal roll teetering with an almost arrogant balance, challenging both gravity and my patience. Next to it, 2 other creations of similar flair, each vying for attention like contestants in a bizarre art gallery. Apparently, this is a thing in Japan, a trend, turning toilet paper rolls into makeshift sculptures. And my son clearly ahead of the curve. If you missed it, check out my previous video where he stacked toilet paper rolls vertically as high as he could get it. And that was an engineering feat. This is something else entirely. But for God's sake, can we talk about these empties, the husk of toilet paper rolls discarded not in the trash where they belong, but repurposed as the backbone of this surreal bathroom display? Is this art, laziness, or a cosmic reminder that in this house, even the mundane has theatrical potential? Feel free to comment below if you have the same thing in your household. And that's it for today. Unexpected bathroom adventure, from trending toilet paper art to my son's gravity-defying creations. It's clear that even the simplest things can spark creativity or chaos. If you enjoyed this quirky detour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Who knows what masterpiece we'll uncover next. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.